The Mysteries of Pyramid Construction, Decoding Ancient Techniques. The Great Pyramid of Giza, one of humanity's most iconic creations, standing tall against the test of time. But how were these majestic structures built? Let's dive into the leading theories. For centuries, we've been perplexed by the question: how did the ancient Egyptians construct these monumental tombs? 1. Straight ramp theory. The straight ramp theory. Many believe a long ramp was constructed leading straight up to the pyramid. But the logistics? Quite challenging. 2. Spiral ramp theory. Then there's the spiral ramp theory. A twisting ramp going upwards as the pyramid rises. But could such a ramp support the weight of the mammoth blocks? 3. Internal spiral ramp theory. Jean-Pierre Houdin suggested an intriguing twist, literally. An internal spiral ramp. Recent high-tech scans hint at this possibility, but the debate is far from over. 4. Counterweight systems. Could the answer lie in the simple machines of the era? The counterweight theory posits that devices, not unlike the shadoof, were used to elevate blocks with the aid of heavy counterweights. 5. Water transport theory. Water, the source of life, and perhaps, pyramid construction? The water transport theory suggests that channels were carved, easing the transport of the heavy stones. 6. Lever theory. The lever theory. Ancient Egyptians had levers, and they might have used them to pry and lift these massive blocks, step by step. 7. Casing stones first. Some argue for the casing stones first theory. This suggests the smooth outer layer we once saw was constructed first. An intricate method that poses its own set of questions. The true techniques might be a blend of many theories, or perhaps something yet undiscovered. Regardless of how they did it, the pyramids stand as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of ancient civilization. Join us next time as we explore more about the hidden secrets of the pyramids. Thanks for watching.